You know, when we talk about professions, what do you think is the most common profession for women?
Medical?
Other than that,
I don't know.
teaching.
Teaching?
Yes.
Okay.
And you know, every time I ask people what's the most common profession, they say teaching. And then they say, why teaching? Why do you think teaching is a safe or a common profession for women?
I don't know. I have no reasons for that. I think वो schools की policy होती है female teachers रखना and
Oh, no,
females
schools-
they just want to जो females हैं वो teaching करना चाहती हैं and school चाहते हैं कि
मगर
करें.
अगर if we think deeper, why do a lot of women prefer, or why do a lot of families are more permissive for the women in the family to teach?
Maybe they feel safe.
It's safe, right? And then I say safe from who?
From another teacher.
And what is the gender of the teacher?
Could be female and could be male both because
You see, these are the hard questions. These are the hard questions that we actually need to look back into our society and think why. Why is it that women are hesitant to be in a lot of professions? और ऐसे बहुत सारे professions हैं जिनमें आपकी औरतें आती हैं. But you see, the retention rate of women is a lot lower.
so what's your opinion कि क्यों वो teaching की तरफ आती हैं?
It's a safer environment.
From
It's an environment which is, you're around women more, and the society or your family prefers that you're in an environment where there are lesser men.
so can only a man harass?
That is absolutely not true.
So
The intent behind the law,
How-
you see,
how
the
is
law
that
says
safe then?
protection against harassment
Exactly.
of women in the Workplace Act. But again, maybe the title is a bit misleading, but the law protects men as well as women. It protects transgendered persons. It protects children, right? But yes, if I were to say there was a study conducted by ASHA, which is the Alliance Against Sexual Harassment, as per that study, 100% of women reported being sexually harassed. Not just in the workplace, but reported being sexually harassed. 100%.